What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Pepe, which has once again pumped up over 15% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at this value here. We're not even going to go through it. It's got too many zeros, but yeah, as you guys can clearly see. So why has it pumped up? Is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Is it worth investing into this crypto? How high and how low can it go? And looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market has not been performing too well. It is down just under 2% in the last 24 hours, but we do have Pepe as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So as you guys can see, in the last hour itself, it managed to gain a percentage. Over the last day, 16%, and it more or less all started about this afternoon. Before that, it was fluctuating around its price range, but a sudden pump in value. Over the week, 7%, and over the month, it is a major 31% down guys, which is not looking too great, as it has dropped quite a lot over the last 4 weeks, all up until the last couple of hours before it started to pump up, which is again questionable, as in, is it worth buying it? Because as you guys can clearly see, it has been more or less consistently been dropping in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 200%, making it $110 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase guys. Again, only reason why so many people are into this crypto right now is because it's one of the top gainers. It's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it, meaning more and more people will be trading the crypto, and again, the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple, ending at 0.71. However, it is actually trading at a slightly higher value here, ending in 7.2, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected, but again, it is very close to the SMA indicator. So let's get straight into it and zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have quite a mixed signal here. We've got the orange line clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting Pepe to have dropped back down in value. So potentially in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Pepe to have dropped back down in value to around here, ending in 0.65 cents. Somewhere around here is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So yes, right now it's pumping. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value towards the in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. Now zooming on into the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they are looking very steep guys, meaning this is not realistic at all. Again, the only reason why it's looking so bullish is because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping and so on. However, that is not the case. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Pepe to have dropped back down in value below where it was trading earlier today. So quite of a major drop is what I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days from Pepe, potentially dropping about 15 to 20%, especially after this drop, this pump here. I'm expecting quite of a drop, guys, over the next couple of days. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days. We may see the odd green day here and there, but at this point, the red days are very likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are still looking bullish, going in a positive direction and not looking as steep, meaning is much more realistic. However, as you guys can see, it has not been performing too well over the last couple of months, and it is very likely to carry on in that way over the next 6 to 8 weeks as well. So potentially, guys, early to mid November 2023, I am expecting Pepe to have again gone through an overall drop in value, and at this point it should be over a 40% drop. And yeah, that should make it clear for you guys. Should you guys invest into the crypto, or would I invest into a crypto right now? Personally, I wouldn't, and I wouldn't recommend investing into it. And I've said this since the beginning of Pepe, since it got launched. This is not a crypto that I would personally invest into, as I'm not expecting it to go anywhere, to make any gain out of it. To put into simple terms, again, I'm expecting it to keep dropping in value, but again, it's entirely up to you guys. If you guys believe in the crypto and think you can make some money out of it, go for it. But personally, I don't believe that it's gonna make me any gains on this crypto, and I don't think it's worth investing into. Hence why I'm avoiding the crypto. But I will keep making video on this crypto, making updates and price predictions on it as you guys want me to do that. But again, this is not something I would be into. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we have basically dropped into the red zone, and yeah, this is a clear sign that it is more or less likely to go down further, dropping even lower into the red zone and potentially drop all the way down to where it began. That's what I'm expecting over the next, well, not anytime soon, but over the long term, it is likely to keep dropping in value. We may see the odd pump here and there in between, but the overall outcome after a lot, the long term seems to be more on the negative side. But yeah, this is my take and my predictions on Pepe, guys. Let me know, what are your takes on this crypto? What are your predictions? What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.